It's another day working on the cabin. Last we were here, we just about finished off the railings, but we've still got a little bit left. Once again, I think they turned out pretty cool, and we've been banging away in the outdoor kitchen. This today, Mike and I are going to put a little roof going there, and between these two log posts is going to be like a bar with some stools on the outside. We'll put a big TV inside, griddle, the grill, all the things. So Dave's getting the electric wired up in it. I think today we're going to try, well, finish the railings first and then get this little awning built. I'll show you guys inside here. Kind of looks like a bomb went off, but Dave's been in here pretty much this whole trip wiring up the electric. So we got lights in. There's a simplex for the heat and air unit. Got a light through the window. I think he's about done in here. Power company got us all hooked up. We actually got, if you look next to the toilet, there's our router. So we have internet, hook onto that, and we can use phones up here. Be pretty cool. This is the slightly smaller murder saw, and we'll make it all the way through in one cut, but it weighs about a third of what that other one does. Here I'm coming. That's all I got to do is come start running power tools, and everybody goes, whoa. Very nice. Really? Go ahead and move my stuff. It's all my stuff, Ray. Hey, I give you $100 if you could dump it onto the sawhorses without busting the railings. Don't do that. That's a joke. I'm not sure my eyes are good enough to drill these holes plumb. Oh man, I'm like an hour in, my shoes are already full of soda.
All kinds of motherfuckers in my way. You know what's nice about this too with the roof on? Is a little off.
Bend it in place. I'm not a little off. Are yours a little off? Mine are perfect, Michael.
Me. Are we out of fucking...
So much editing. Oh, George. Yeah. Can you give me 2 more feet of slack on that hose, please? Glasses. An inch too. I cut it twice and it's still an inch too short. I don't have enough boards to be doing that, George. At least I wasn't filming it. Marvelous. Well, we'll fall down. Oh my gosh.
Is it perfect?
It is.
Wow.
Well, we're back from lunch. A little air conditioning and a costume change for me anyways. George and Ray are gonna put some underlayment down in the air conditioner because Mike got that running. And him and I are gonna work on our head blisters out here, putting a roof on this overhang. I'm gonna go ahead and start making the bottom of the bar. It goes right through here. Make that out of some 2x4s and some of the sawmill lumber we have left over. It is, I don't know, 50 degrees cooler in the shade here, which is its intended purpose, but it's still about 130 in here. Come on. That's about it for today. It's plenty hot. It's supposed to be 85 tomorrow, so that'll be a pleasant treat. We got quite a bit of the flooring in, so that's a big help, and all the underlayment. So we'll be ready to start paneling on the walls tomorrow. We will be able to start paneling on the walls tomorrow. Sorry, my brain is fried. It's so hot, but we got a lot done today. I'm happy with it. We'll see you next time.